Are you facing Wi-Fi issues on your PC or laptop? If you want to boost your Wi-Fi connection, increase speed, and resolve any connectivity troubles, you're in the right place. Stick around for this tutorial, and if you're new here, consider subscribing for more helpful content. So let's dive right in. Steps to improve Wi-Fi connection. First, right-click on the start icon and select Run. Type ncpa.cpl and click OK. Locate your Wi-Fi connection. Right-click and select Properties. In the Properties window, select Internet Protocol version 4. Click Properties and set Preferred DNS. For example, 1.1.1.1 or 1.0.0.1 for Cloud DNS. For advanced settings, first, right-click on your Wi-Fi connection. Then, go to Properties. Under the Configure tab, go to the Advanced section. There's an important setting, so pay attention. First, disable Channel Intolerant for better network stability. Then, set roaming aggressiveness to the lowest for increased speed. For the preferred band, select 5 GHz if available. Lastly, keep channel width on auto for both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. Restart your computer. Reconnect to your Wi-Fi network and you might see both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz option. After trying these steps, let me know in the comments if your internet speed improved and by how much. Your feedback is highly appreciated and motivating. So, that wraps up for this Wi-Fi enhancement tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye!